In the spiritual history of the Indian subcontinent, Hazrat Baba Fariduddin Gunshakar, may Allah have mercy on him, stands as a shining example of patience, contentment, and spiritual poverty. From an early age, he chose a life of hard work and simplicity. Despite hardship and scarcity, his heart remained completely satisfied with the pleasure of Allah. It is narrated that on one occasion, he survived for several days on nothing but dry bread. He asked nothing from anyone and made no complaint about the world. Seeing this condition, a man respectfully asked him, "Why do you not pray to Allah to remove this hardship?" Hazrat Baba Fariduddin, may Allah have mercy on him, replied calmly and with deep contentment, "I do not practice patience for ease, I practice patience for the pleasure of Allah." These words were not merely an answer, but a complete lesson in spiritual training. It was this patience that gave such depth and power to his words, a power that still softens hearts and brings tears to the eyes. That is why the name of Hazrat Baba Farid will always live on, associated with patience, love, and devotion to Allah.